Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we will discuss SQL Group By function. So group by statement, you can understand what is this and why we need. The SQL Group By statement is used in conjunction with an aggregate function to group the result given output result set for the display purposes. As we have implemented sub queries in previous video, so the actual solution for that queries was not a sub query problem, was a use of group by clause. So we have two use cases over here. First, look at these. We have this products table, and I wanna display the sum of total products with their categories. Let's say I wanna display the report where I wanna show how many products we have of type computers category and how many products we have of type mobile category, and we have another table of employees table, and I wanna display the total number of male employees and total number of female employees. So we have two use cases. Let's implement. If you write over here select sum of quantity from products. Okay, if you execute simple this query, so this will return the total number of available quantity. But if you want to display the category over here, so category, then select this one, execute. The products.category is an invalid in the select list because it is not contained in either aggregate functions or group by clause. The same case is with the employees table. You can test it by yourself. So by the solution of these scenarios, you should use group by clause. Okay, so I wanna select category and then sum of quantity from products, and then I will write group by, and then I will write the column name on the basis of which I wanna group by this result set. Okay, so if you execute this one, look at this, we are getting computers, and for sure this is an aggregate function, and we should write its alias as total quantity. If you execute this one, look at this, we have now a total number of 65 computers and 200 mobiles, and this is where we need this one group by clause or statement. Okay, we will implement another scenario. Display total number of employees, male and female employees. Okay, so I will select count static, and I don't want to select, basically yes, count and static, and then I will write gender over here. We should write gender before this one because this is good for presentation purposes, and over here I will write total numbers, and then I will write from our employees table, and then I will group by this one, group by gender. Okay, so if you execute this one, look at this, we have 3 females in our table and we have 5 males in our table. You can also add as many columns as you want, and that columns should be specified with this group by clause. You can also join 2 or more tables and then apply this group by clause. You can also write where condition before writing this scenario. Okay, so this is very useful function, and a lot of time we need this one in the reporting section, and where we wanna display the records on the basis of categories, on the basis of gender or stuff like that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment in the below comment section of this video, and also share this video with your friends and family and on your social media accounts, so those guys can also learn these SQL concepts. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.